Still going after it. You should get from the side. Get from the side.
I am.
Stand back, Jake.
Alright, stand.
Yep. Holy crap, now you can really see the guts.
I still got hit by broken pieces left over here. Stand behind Andy. Hit me in the cheek with one.
Man, this thing, I don't know, it really stinks. It has a weird smell to it.
Alright, Jake, go ahead. Shoot off a couple rounds. Come over here.
We can put what's left on the ground upside down over there with a bomb in it yet.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna do the bomb. Here.
You gotta do yours, fire it again with yours too.
No, just hang on, videotape me real quick. Alright, so this is what this basically is. So, I got a 2-liter bottle. This a plastic bottle. I got Diet Coke. So what you do is you take tinfoil, and I can't get it out, but
we really should turn that around, push down that little hill before we do it.
what you do is you roll it into tinfoil balls, and I probably got about 30 of them in there. And then you buy this stuff from the Dollar Tree. It's called The Works. It's your toilet bowl cleaner. What you do is you just squirt it in here. You don't have to get a whole lot. Cap it up. Make sure it's under tight. Shake it up. What it does is it starts expanding the bottle, the sulfuric acid.
Turn that TV around and push it down.
That run like crazy.
This is just one bomb, so let's see what one does.